Turned edge applique is an accurate method for stitching lovely applique designs. Trace the applique shape onto heat-resistant template plastic and cut it out. Smooth away any bumps using an emery board. Use the template to trace the shape onto the wrong side of the fabric. Cut the fabric roughly 1/8 of an inch outside the drawn line. Scissors with a short serrated blade like these embroidery scissors from Havel Sewing help grip the fabric as you cut. Using the straight tip of your scissors, clip as needed to ease turning. With the heat-resistant template on the wrong side of the fabric, work in sections to apply starch as precisely as possible to the seam allowance. Fold the seam allowance over the template and press toward the back of the template. Continue starching and pressing until all necessary edges are turned under. Then remove the template. Place applique shapes onto the background fabric. Using fabric glue or pins, baste the shape into place. Once your thread is knotted, insert the tip of the needle from the back side. The needle tip should just bite the edge of the applique shape. Pull through until the knot hits the back side. Insert the needle tip from the front, just biting the edge of the shape. Using a blind stitch, work your way around the shape. Once complete, secure the end of the thread using your preferred technique. Use a coordinating thread like we did here so the stitches blend with the applique shape. Turned edge applique is a classic technique, perfect for traditional to modern designs alike.